and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing products that I am excited to be reviewing and talking about during spring and summer. I feel like I have been in a little bit of a skincare funk, but I have kind of taken myself out of that funk, all because of this product, the Medicube Exosome Cica Ampule. I recently reviewed this product, so I will link that review for you up above. That is Toby back there. So I have recently emptied this product, and although this delivered on its claims, I wanted to try something different because I was going to repurchase, but then I thought, let's not repurchase. Let's try something new. That brings us to today's video. I picked up the Madagascar Centella Ampule from Skin 1004. And let me tell you, something I did not really enjoy about this is just the packaging. And this packaging is, I feel, a little bit more elevated. It's a beautiful bottle, beautifully colored. Well, not beautifully colored product because the bottle is that amber color. But I have already been testing this. I will upload a review for you in the future, but I wanted to share that this is something I am excited about. I have also been dipping my toes back into sheet masks, and I picked these up last year, and I did just try them once. And I know that a lot of reels and TikToks talk about the morning shed, and I have just not bought on to that trend. One, because I can be a little claustrophobic and sensitive to textures on my skin, and two, I really just want to be comfy and enjoy sleep. And while I will lather 5 to 7 products on my skin nightly, like having a physical thing on my skin just kind of scares me a little bit. It just makes me feel like I won't enjoy sleep. But this week I did try to challenge myself. I'm gonna see if I can sleep with this on, and I did. I survived. I didn't rip this off my face in the middle of the night. And when I tell you the glow that I woke up with the next day, I was impressed. I don't know if a review is needed on this because I feel like it's gone viral, but I did pick up other ones. I'm not sure how I got these, but these are by Round Lab. Normally randomly found these in my collection, but I did recently pick up the Therese and Honor Bio Collagen Deep Hydration Mask. These are supposed to hydrate, enhance elasticity, and minimize pores. So as my collagen starts to break down and as I notice more of my pores, definitely want to minimize their appearance as much as I can. So let me know if you are interested in seeing a review in any of these products. Let me know. What else that I picked up is the Therese and Honor Vitamin C Niacinamide Eye Gel Patch. I tried these on this morning, and these are quite amazing. Not to, ruin the surprise or anything, but I really like how blurring they are of the pores here. And of course I can review these if you like. Really enjoyed these. These are a much larger pad that kind of covers the cheek area as well. But I'm really impressed by this brand, Therese and Honor. Other K-beauty products that I am excited to chat about are these like spicule products. First, the Medicube 1-Day Exosome Shot. I did try this once on like my nose area and like on the back, to try a sensitivity test, and I survived. And then I also have the VT Cosmetics, I think, the Riedel Shot 300. This is the Cica Riedel, and I got this at Target because I had a gift card, and I did try this over the entirety of my face, And I did see a little sensitivity, but again, my skin has been in a bit of a funk recently. But let me know if y'all would like a review in any of these. I feel like this is more exfoliating as it does have AHA, BHAs, and PHAs. And this, because it does contain cica, might be a little bit more soothing to the skin and redness reducing. I have also been recently sent two products by the brand Supuru, I think that's how you say it. Cica PDRN Vitalizing Serum Anti-Aging and Wrinkle Care. This contains Cica PDRN, a DNA component derived from the Centella asiatica plant. Cica PDRN is known for its exceptional skin calming and barrier reinforcing properties, helping to accelerate the recovery of damaged skin and electively restore skin health. There's adenosine, amaticacicide, and Centella asiatica extract. So really excited to try this. Love that this is vegan as well. Let's take a look at the unit here. Awesome. Really cool packaging here. I have also kind of tried this by Remedy, the 15% vitamin C antioxidant complex. This is a brightening serum and I really dig this packaging. And I do like that this brand is found at Target as well, and it's quite affordable. I did use this 2 days this week. I'm kind of afraid to dip my toes back into vitamin C, because I feel like maybe that is what's causing redness and irritation still. So slowly dipping my toes back into vitamin C. Let me know if you've used this or if you're curious about this product in the comments down below. I do also have 2 products by PCA Skin. The Pro Max Age Renewal Advanced Serum with Growth Factor technology and the MGF Age Renewal Cream. This is a biorestorative moisturizer with micro growth factor technology. So these are definitely more for like my aging mature skin friends. But I'm very excited to try this, especially because of the growth factor and neuropeptide technologies. Very excited. Let's do body care. Something new I've added to my routine is self-tanning. So I have used maybe once or twice the B-Tan Glow Your Own Way, the OG Glow. This is the darkest clear self-tan gel. I'm still trying to familiarize myself with this product. I feel like there's still some troubleshooting that I could afford to do. But I really like it. It doesn't really stink, and I feel like I can use it overnight to develop a tan overnight. It does feel a little sticky on the skin, so that might be, you know, it triggers a little bit of my sensorial sensitivity. But again, very similar to the overnight mask, I survived. And then I have been trying to tackle my KP and some of my rough and bumpy skin. So I have been on the Keratosis Pilaris Reddit, and I read somewhere that this worked for someone, so I picked it up, and I've used this maybe 2 to 3 times, and I have noticed a bit of a change on my skin. This is enriched with 10% urea, which is what smooths the skin, ceramide, and natural moisturizing factors. This says it's more of a rich cream, but I feel like I've tried richer. And this is meant for very dry, rough, and bumpy skin. I don't have very dry skin. I feel like I have a normal skin around my body. But this has worked very well for me recently. And then I also added the EOS Shea Better 24-hour moisture body lotion in creme de pistachio, and this smells divine. I'm not sure why I've been paying a lot more attention to my body, but I have. Something I did forget to mention when I was chatting about the skincare was the Numbuzzin 9 NAD plus Bio Lifting Sil Essence. What intrigued me about this product is the fact that it includes 50 peptides. I have used this in a reel, or short. So I've been kind of playing around with it. I feel like the texture is very unique, and I do want to work on a review on this, but I will share that the texture is unique. I did look at the ingredients list before I picked this up, and from what I saw, there are no essential oils, so it's safe for my skin. But I'm very excited, very intrigued to try this. So yeah, looking forward to it, and I do love that you get like quite a bit of product here for the price. I've really been looking at K beauty products, and that is one of the pros for K beauty, that their essence or their serum or their ampule, it's just a lot of product, so you get more bang for your buck, especially in this economy. And then let's chat about makeup. Benefit sent over a few of their new blushes, and I have used them in like reels or shorts, and today I am wearing the shade The Juice Stick in Figgy. So that is what I am wearing. This is the swatch here, and this is the product. Beautiful. I have been loving the shade Shelly as well for everyday wear. But this formula is fantastic. It is also waterproof. I did try Shelly one day for a really like sweaty, grimy, gross workout, and it was still on my face. So I'll be putting these to the test as well. But look at that color, look at this beautiful shade. It's lightweight, beautiful. These are definitely more of a sheer application over the skin, but these I feel are super duper cool. That is all I have for today's video. This is more of like a things I'm excited for, just to get me pumped. As I feel like I've been running out of things and ideas to film. So if there is anything in today's video that you'd love a review on, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, for watching today's video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.